Welcome back guys to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day inspired look, and first I'm going to start with the Pore Minimizing Primer by Flomar. Then I'm going to go in with my concealer, and this is the Maybelline Super Stay Better Skin Concealer. And then I'm actually going to be using these little cute stickers, and I folded in half and then I cut a little heart out to be like my little stencil, and then I'm going to pop that right on the top of my lid. Now I'm taking this shade Nectar by the LORAC Pro palette, and I'm applying that with kind of like a stippling brush, and I'm putting that all over my lid. Then I'm going in with the Modern Renaissance palette, and I am taking Red Orchid, and I'm applying that in the same place I applied the previous shade. Taking Venetian Red, and I'm applying that on the outer V of the eye, blending it in. Now I'm taking the Tarte In Bloom palette, and I'm taking Rebel, and I'm applying that on the outer V. Then I'm taking the color next to it, which is Leaf, and I am focusing that on the outer V, but mostly where the eye meets. Now I'm just spraying my brush with a little bit of Fix Plus, and I'm taking the shade Vermeer, and I am taking that on the inner corner of my eye, and I'm also popping it under the eyebrow. Now I'm taking the NYX Glitter Primer, and I am taking this Roxanne Rizzo Eye Glow, and it's a beautiful glitter. And I'm popping that right on top where I have my little heart stencil. Now I'm taking my Kiss Lashes in number 5, and I am also taking my Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive with Aloe in Black. Now the rest of the face was not filmed, but I'll put it down in the description down below on the foundation that was used and the setting powder. Now I'm going to be taking my Hoola Benefit bronzer, and I'm applying that on the cheekbones. Now I'm going to be taking this Bobbie Brown blush in Desert Pink number 18, applying that right on top of my bronzer. And this is actually my first time using the Maybelline Master Strobing Liquid, and girl, I love it. It's so cute. I'm using medium 200 Nude Glow. And as you can tell, I am very sad that my favorite highlighter at the moment hit pan and then broke. Now I'm taking the BSN lip liner, and this is in Brick, and filling in a little bit of my lips. So next I'll be using these two awesome lip colors that I also tried for the first time in the video, and the first is a Jordana Sweet Cream Matte lip color in the shade Buttercream Frosting, which is beautiful. Then I topped it off with a Rimmel Stay Glossy lip gloss, and is in 110 Dorchester Rose. I don't know if I'm butchering that name, but these two together are so cute. And that is my final look. I really hope you guys like this Valentine's Day look. I really love using the warm tones, but let me know if you guys want another Valentine's look, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!